I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. My favorite part of the spread definitely has to be the rose gold and pink accents. I think my aesthetic is showing through because, as you guys know, one of my favorite aesthetics is rose gold glam. And so this is definitely rose gold. It has some glam elements to it, but it's also a good transition gift from summer to fall. It has a lot of fall elements in it, which I love. And I just wrote a little quote on the side that says, write yourself a fairy tale ending, which is something I think we all should be doing. And I think it went well with the fairy tale feel of this spread. And it also reminds me that I should be working on writing my fantasy book, something I should be doing. So I love this spread. Tell me what your favorite part is down below. And don't forget, if you guys are interested in seeing different types of content on my channel, don't forget to tell me in a comment down below, and I will definitely try to make those happen. I am working on some art journal pages just for myself, but if you want to see them like in video format, tell me, just let me know and I will try to make that happen. And you want to see behind the scenes of everything that I'm doing, don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, because that's where I'm posting a lot of the behind the scenes and some of my other pictures of what I'm doing. So if you're really interested in following some of my creative endeavors, just follow me on my other social media. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week is the week when a lot of the people in my county go back to school, so I will be using this bows, books, and bags kit from Whimsical Plans. I will not be going back to school personally. I am finally done with school, hallelujah. But I do have my best friend who is going to be a elementary school teacher this year, so I'm so excited for her. So I'm going to be using this like foiled rose goldy pink and green kit. Like, look at these foil boxes, these are gorgeous. So if you're interested in seeing when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!